all that moisture just sort of clings to the window frame, and then there's my phone. No one ever calls me. Of course, there's my phone. It's me, Carla, with Wild Bloomers. Welcome to my channel. Today I actually remembered to get out my camera and turn it on before I started a do-it-yourself fix-up cleanup project. So I'll have some footage of myself completing a project, not just talking about it before and after. Here's what I've got going. I'm standing right now in what is my home office, which is a very grandiose name for the second bedroom. My plan right now is to take warm soapy water and really clean all around the window frames, scrape away any loose paint around the window frames and things like that. Just really get them cleaned up and clean the glass. I have purchased some static cling window film. You peel the backing off and it doesn't have adhesive, it just clings to the glass by static, so like a decal does. The window panes that have failed and have a lot of cloudiness and condensation will be camouflaged, because right now I can't afford to replace the windows. I just can't. The other thing is, these windows, which sit right behind my desk, it looks out on a little side yard, which would be fine to look at, but the house next door is very close, and last summer the people who lived in it were evicted and the city boarded up the house, and now what I see out my window in my office is boarded up windows and lots of weed and trashy stuff that they left in their side yard, like big piles of roof shingles that they threw in there and stuff like that. Not fun neighbors to have, by the way. So my hope is not only will I camouflage my failing double-paned windows for the time being, until hopefully sometime in the future we'll be able to replace the windows altogether. The film I have sort of like a pebbled glass effect, where you can see that there's greenery and the sun is shining and things like that, but you can't really see that you're looking at an ugly boarded up house next door. A lot of the projects that I do in my house, which if you've watched any of my videos, like cleaning out my closet, cleaning out my drawers, my pantry, I do low-level DIY improvement projects that are largely cosmetic instead of true remodeling or expensive revamping of things. That's part of what my life is like right now. My husband and I live very modestly, and I'm thankful for that. It allows me to do all my things at home instead of working outside the home. Our budget is modest, and therefore the way I approach home fix-up project is pretty modest too. I know I'm not alone in this approach, so I offer my efforts as a way for you to maybe get ideas for things that you would like to do around your home. I'm going to show you what my windows look like, and then I'm going to go ahead and get cleaning so I can put the film on the windows. This is the problem right here. This window, see how cloudy it is? And this lower pane down here, you can see the actual wet inside of it. The condensation forms and then it runs down and then it just kind of dries in this nasty cloud. And over here, that plywood is the window of the house next door. It's not a horrible view. I mean, I'm not looking at a garbage dump or anything, but it's not conducive to the imagination. So I'm going to get to work on this. And this is my desk with just about everything put back on it. I did make some changes to kind of streamline things a little bit. This is at sundown, and I'm pretty happy with the way the windows look now, with curtains and everything back where it belongs. This will work for us. And then there's my phone. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more from me, I do invite you to subscribe. And until then, enjoy the good stuff. See you next time.